Come along on our 3-day family adventure to Pangasinan, plus a special side trip to Banawag Church. Let's go!
We left at 4 a.m. with rain pouring down, a cozy start to our family trip. Rain or shine, Hershey's on high alert, especially when Jollibee's involved. From Metro Manila, we arrived at Manaoag Church just before 8 a.m., a peaceful stop to begin our journey with gratitude.
Hello, Riz! Oh. Ay, wait pala ni Riz yun.
Natutulog na.
Ano ba yan? Riz? Riz. Hershey. Hershey. Attendance check. Nagbihis na. Wish, wish, wish.
After the Mass, we said our prayers and intentions, snapped a few photos, then headed back to the car where the rest of the family was waiting.
Balik na tayo. Picture kami nila. Riz, wait lang daw. Riz.
At around 1 p.m., we finally arrived at our home for the next few days, Golden Sands Resort. It was low tide when we arrived, calm, quiet, and the beach was all ours.
Hi! Hi, doggies! Swim na tayo! Swimming na tayo! Doggies! Swim, swim, swim! Wait lang, babe. Medyo matagal. Uy, antay niyo pa. Sabay sila, Notch. Oh, hindi yan susunod. Wait mo si Kuya Ushi. Ay, tagal! Grabe! Ay ka ba, matay, be? Ala, iniwan na siya. Ay, ang taas, be, ha? Ala, iniwan niya si... Dahin natin si Riz, eh. Hi, Riz! First time! First time sa sand. Swimming ka na! Ayan na siya! Ayan na siya!
Hershey, dito, Riz.
Riz, dito! Ay, Hershey! Dito, be! Saya ka? Oh. Doon tayo, balik tayo doon. Tara, balik. Tara, swimming na siya.
Water dog. Balik na daw siya doon sa abot niya. Eh, nabot niya na. Ang casual lang niya.
Galing naman!
Water torch ka na.
Sali tayo dun.
Andre! Sino mas mabilis? 1, 2, 3, go! Let's go!
Andre, excuse!
Ay, si senior. Oh, sa puti ako, sa puti! Sa puti! Tapan!
Matapad na. Di ba yung screen?
Oo. Ano yung tali niya, oh. Binitawa na si Rick. Feeling ko hindi naman.
Laka, lagot ka.
Tara lang, bilis, bilis!
Bilis ba? Takbo! Teka. Hello! Hello, Liz!
Hershey, oh. Ay, baby, tatas mo na pa yung ano. Hershey, oh.
Serious nag-e-emote lang. Serious.
Hindi ko naman inilang pa doon. Para lang umabot lang siya sa video.
Hello, Ricky!
May sumali mo nakibida. Nakibida.
Wait mo ko ha. Wala akong food. Bye! Maglaho na. Bakit?
Day 1 complete. A little music, a few drinks, and a whole lot of family love. The kind of nights that stay with you rent-free forever.
Sorry!
Ba't wala ganyan talaga?
Kaya maganda siya. Liz, naiwan ka na naman.
Tingnan kasi, tinigil mo pumasok eh.
And that's it for day 1, humans. Thank you for watching.
Alin
O, laughing naman, guys.
Laughing.
Laughing.